Hello friends, you're watching India Today Tech, and in this video we're going to unbox the Honor 10. Honor has made this phone quite unique in terms of design and looks, but apart from that we'll also take a look at the phone's new interface and camera that is backed by artificial intelligence based tricks. Inside the box there's the phone, which is blue in color, and the notch at the front is clearly visible. Anyways, further inside you get a travel adapter with 2 amperes of output rating and quick charge support. There's also a Type-C USB cable, but you may not get earphones in the box. Though this is not the final retail packaging, the phone will come in. Now let's quickly free up the Honor 10 of the packaging and take a look at it. The back is glass and the front has very thin bezels with a notch at the top, and the chin at the bottom houses the fingerprint scanner, which is not a physical button. Before we set up the phone, let's quickly take a look at the phone's specifications. Honor 10 comes with a 5.84-inch IPS display which has Full HD Plus resolution and a 19:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood it runs Kirin 970 chipset with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone has dual cameras at the back with a 16MP primary sensor and a 24MP black and white secondary sensor. At front the phone has a 24MP camera with an f2.0 lens. Honor 10 runs EMUI on top of the Android 8.1 Oreo and houses a 3400 mAh battery. Now the Honor 10 looks very classy. It has a glass back with aluminum frame and the back is slightly curved on both sides. The phone has tactile buttons, a headphone jack at the bottom alongside a Type-C USB port, speakers and a microphone. At the top it has an IR blaster and secondary microphone, while on the left you'll find the SIM slots. The Honor 10 is shiny, but compared to the Honor P20 Pro it is much less reflective, no doubt. It doesn't have that mirror finish, but rather a colorful one. It goes from blue to purple when you slightly tilt the phone. In fact, a major difference is that the home button on the P10 is not a physical key. The fingerprint scanner is an ultrasonic sensor which is put underneath the glass. Major benefit of that is that even when your fingers are wet, you will be able to unlock the phone. On the downside, it's not as fast as the other capacitive sensors. Both the phones have a notch display, but that on Honor 10 has Full HD Plus resolution and is obviously not as great as that on the P20 Pro. It has good enough brightness levels, but it won't be able to compete with the likes of OnePlus 5T that come with AMOLED screens. On the other hand, the color production is much better in most cases. It is soft, balanced and pleasing to the eyes. Compared to other IPS panels, it does feel a little oversaturated, as in boosted to enhance colors, but it is within the limit. Now the interface on the Honor 10 is a mixed bag. Huawei uses EMUI over the Android 8.1 and it is a slightly cluttered software to use, especially for stock Android fans and first time users. Though the app launches are swift and smooth mostly, and switching between the apps is fast as well. There are a lot of customizations in place, like you can add an app drawer to give it a stock Android like feel, and you can even hide the notch from the menu. Well, sort of. Coming to the cameras, Honor 10 has pretty capable snappers fitted onto it. The rear cameras capture good amount of detail and close to accurate colors. The f1.8 lens inherently captures good background blur and also helps in taking noise-free, low-light shots. The AI feature Honor talks about detects objects and customizes the settings automatically for better photo. This works for text, plants, pets and human faces, but for low light it does not offer much. In fact, normal photos are at times better than AI photos. Low light photos in particular have low noise and are quite sharp. Overall, Honor 10 is a wholesome offering. Like the 8 Pro or the V10, this phone also stands the test of high expectations. Not only does it better the looks, design and camera, but offers something new in the form of ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. For now, the Honor 10 is a phone to definitely watch out for, but later it would compete with the likes of OnePlus 6 So stay tuned and watch out for a full review and comparisons of the phone. Subscribe now to get more videos like this, and thank you for watching.